Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about a brand new product release coming from ColourPop. That's right, I'm finally getting back ahead of the game this week. The ColourPop Stix family is getting a new member. These are the bronze sticks. We already previously had blush sticks and light sticks. There are also 3 new light sticks with this release that I'm going to show you as well. But I think the real headline news here are the bronze sticks. These will be available on the ColourPop website on Thursday, June 22nd. And these will be retail priced at $10 a piece. I do have a discount code for ColourPop, so you can just use my affiliate code. It's my first name, Amanda, and that will save you 10% on these new bronze sticks. And exciting news, earlier this year, ColourPop stopped accepting codes on bundles, sets, and vaults. However, for this launch, you can use discount codes on their bundles, and they are going to have a bunch of curated sets and trios and things like that. So you can actually use discount codes on these bronze sticks bundles, which is really exciting because the bundles are already at a discounted price. They're going to be $26 for the trios, their little curated sets. And then you can use a 10% off code on top of that. So you actually can get a pretty good deal on those. Just make sure you remember, it's only a good deal if you actually want everything in the set. I'm going to give you the full rundown as usual. I'm going to show you close-ups, swatches. We don't really have anything to compare these to. That's more of a palette thing anyway, although every once in a while I will compare other products. But no comparisons in this video because they've never released any bronze sticks before. So let's take a close-up look at these products, the packaging, the swatches, and I'll also show you an application demo. I'm wearing 2 of the bronzers and 1 of the new light sticks today, so you'll get to see those in action as well. Let's start with the light sticks first, since these don't need as much of an introduction. Our 3 new shades are Glazy, Molten Hot, and Ignite. Glazy is the lightest. It's sort of an icy champagne, definitely more icy than champagne color. As you'll see, this pulls more of a white base, even on me, and I'm pretty pale. The middle shade is Molten Hot. It's an orangey peach color with a bit of a gold flip to it. And then the deepest shade is called Ignite. This is a golden bronze. I'm wearing Glazy throughout this video, so you'll get to see that one later on in the demo portion. Now we're going to take a look at the bronze sticks. This is the exact same style of packaging as the other sticks. It's just a different color. So where the light sticks are this blushy peach color, bronze sticks are more of a beige, creamy beige type of color. Just a reminder that the caps pull straight off. There's no magnet, there's no twist off or anything like that. And then the product dispenses by twisting upwards. All the shade names are on stickers on the bottom of each of the bronze sticks, really all of the sticks. Wanted to show you what the actual solid cream product looked like, as well as the swatches. I do think it's kind of helpful just to get a more complete feeling for the product, and also seeing it on my skin tone might be quite different than what you experience if you have a different depth, a different undertone. One thing I really like about the shade Laguna Beach in particular, which is one that you will get to see me apply here in just a couple of seconds, is that the lightest shade has a lot less warmth. It's a lot more neutral than the other bronze sticks shades. That's going to be incredibly beneficial, particularly for those who are even lighter in complexion than I am. I know a lot of my even fairer than me friends struggle to find bronzers that don't look super freaking orange on their very, very pale skin. And I don't have as much of a problem with that because I am fortunate to have a very neutral undertone to my skin. So things don't pull quite as orange on me as they do on some of my more pinky pale friends. this Laguna Beach shade. It's not totally cool toned. It's not really like a contour type of shade, but it's just very neutral in undertone. So I do think this is going to be a hit for the paler people who struggle to find good undertoned bronzers that don't look crazy, crazy orange on them. Like I said, I can pull off a little bit more warmth because of that neutral undertone. So I am adding the next shade deeper here to add a little bit more warmth. And I just wanted to show you more of these in action. I wanted to show you what they looked like blended in with the finger instead of the stippling brush. Overall, I was just, doing the most for the sake of showing you how these work, but I think both shades looked pretty flattering on me and they worked really nicely together as well. Product wise, shade wise, I don't think these new Lite Stix are as much of a standout. I do think they're pretty basic as far as highlighter shades go. They are really nice. Like I said, I've been a Lite Stix fan for a long time. These blended beautifully. I even liked the way that this looked with just the bronzer and the highlighter, which is a big deal for me because I am very much a blush girl. Typically, if I had the choice, I would pick just blush over bronzer and highlighter even, but I think this looked really nice. It definitely has a very summery vibe. I think I could have even gotten away with using the next shade up, that Molten Hot shade, as sort of a blush stand-in or a blush highlighter combo with just the bronzer. I think that would look really pretty. And like I said, I was doing the most to try to show these products, so I'm adding Glazy in with my eye look as well. I hadn't highlighted my inner corner or my brow bone, so I just added a little bit there because why not? We're reviewing a product, we might as well show it in a bunch of different ways, a bunch of different uses. Here's a super mega close-up. I think this looks beautiful on my skin. It looks really well blended. You can tell I am not without texture. I am not a filtered, smooth newborn baby, and I think this looks really flattering on me. I don't need the illusion of no pores because I am a human mammal, so my skin is still skin. I am completely comfortable with that. I hope that you are comfortable with that for yourself, and I think that this looks great. Definitely going to use these all again. I'm very pleased with how these products performed for me. I am a big cream product fan, so I am predisposed to like these. I already was a fan of the blush and Lite Stix. This release just makes a lot of sense. It fits really well within the existing line. It does fill a need or a bit of a hole in the range that ColourPop currently offers. So it just makes sense. These performed really, really nicely for me. They blended out really easily. The colors look good. It didn't pull up the makeup that I'm wearing underneath. It looks nice and glowy and natural. Personally, I'm a big fan of this stippling brush for cream products in general, but these also blended nicely when I used my fingertips as well. So this is definitely something that's right up my alley, something I'm going to use and enjoy a lot. Definitely going to be great for those like me who have really dry skin. Maybe you'll have a different experience with these if you have a more oily skin type because the formula is very emollient and very, I wouldn't say soft, but definitely creamy, definitely blended in really effortlessly, which is great for dry skin, but maybe could be a bit of a problem if you already have a lot of oiliness and your makeup tends to break up. I can't really speak to that personally because that's not something that I experience, but it's just something to kind of keep in mind as you are thinking about these products and whether or not they're going to work for you and whether or not it's a good purchase. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about these bronze sticks and the new Lite Stix colors. Are you interested? Are you going to be picking them up? Do you want to see more with these in the future? I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I don't know what happened to turn me into a blue eyeshadow wearer, but it's just been happening so frequently. I think it all started with the Club Nebula palette, and it's just been rolling steadily towards liking blue ever since then. I don't know. But I love this, so I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I'm losing it. I thought my phone was ringing and it's definitely not. For now. Hey, got my little blue earrings from my Etsy shop to match my blue shirt, my blue eyeshadow. Who is she? Who is this blue queen? These look really good, don't they? I think so. Anyway. Does anybody else love this sound? Ready? Ready for it? Something about things like clicking into place, just, you know, like magnetic closures snapping shut. Just something about that is so satisfying to me. I don't know. That's not ASMR, is it? No. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it is. I don't know. I don't actually really know what that means. Kind of do. I looked it up and I didn't really understand it. Something about sensations. I don't really get a sensation. I just like it. That's different, right? I think it's probably different. What am I talking about? Wow. Okay. Let's get back. Focus. Focus. Whew. I wish I knew what the bundles shades were going to be, because they told me the bundles and that they're $26, but they didn't tell me what shades were in there. I would love to be able to swatch the bundle sets, like the little trios, so that you could see the 3 shades together, but I don't know what they are. I guess I could ask, but I probably won't find out until after it's time for this video to be posted. I don't know, I'll see. I'll email them and see if they tell me. Can't hurt, right? This eyeshadow is literally an e.l.f. Cosmetics palette. What? It was like $10. And it looks so good. So a video for this will be coming soon because I did film the tutorial. I love this eye look. It looks so cute, so fun, so pretty. So keep an eye out for that because that video will be coming at you soon. You know what else is coming at you? My love for your face. Oh, that sounded inappropriate. Let me rephrase that. I'm so thankful that you're here watching this video, and I always enjoy your presence, and I always love your face so much, and I will see you really soon in the next one, and I'm sorry for unintentionally making questionable, potentially... Anyway, never mind. It doesn't matter. Love your face so much. I'll see you soon. Bye!